now we've reached the conclusion. Well, here we are at the end of this incredible journey. It is my sincere hope you feel you received much more than you paid for. I hope that we have demystified this complex area called immigration law. Now fully informed, you can choose your own path to make this happen if that is what you choose. This program idea started over 10 years ago. I remember the first time we conducted a seminar abroad, in England, and we had never done so before. We placed an ad in a small paper, and our lead attorney arrived at the hotel very sad to see people wrapped around the hotel, 3 or 4 deep. He thought there was another conference or reception going on. He thought, well, nobody's ever tried this before, and at least we tried. He thought that nobody was going to find his conference room in the midst of the crowd, and was surprised to discover there wasn't such a problem. The people were wrapped around the building to hear him speak on immigration. It was an area where there was difficulty obtaining information, especially if you are outside the United States. In fact, so many people attended, they were sitting on the ground. He felt he should have been speaking about religion or politics. We had to turn so many people away, the hotel asked us never to return because of fire regulations. There, the idea for Immigration House Call was born. Now you don't have to leave the house and can listen to the information over and over. Another topic you're probably asking, why our lead attorney didn't present. Well, some people are better in court than in front of the cameras. I'm hoping sincerely, through the mechanisms here, whether it be explaining the laws, the strategy, or sharing our favorite quotes, that we leave you with an improved quality of life. I hope that something I have said will resonate inside of you and change you for the better, forever. Our firm is going to ask you for a small favor. One of the things we love to see about the Olympics is how we have a united planet. People from the entire world sharing, laughing, and crying as one person. Because if not for the grace of God, all you not born in America would be Americans. And all the people born in America would have been born somewhere else. It's just the luck of the draw, just like your ethnicity, gender, or religion. Our lead attorney was involved in international business law before he focused on immigration. Our law firm developed a reputation for negotiation because we were able to successfully settle lawsuits before they went to court. We then started specializing in negotiations. We were able to negotiate $100 million deals, the international kidnapping of a federal agent's son, blackmail, and extortion of major figures. Our attitude was that if it couldn't be solved in a week, it couldn't be solved. We used many tools, factual, psychological, and legal. In case we're wondering why we told you this story, we knew there were many sides to every argument, but we've learned everybody thinks they are right. Anybody who has done anything bad to you doesn't think they are bad. They see it from their eyes and feel for some reason it was justified. We don't know why. It's just our human nature. We believe we do no wrong regardless of the outcome to others. More than ever, we need world peace in every sense. I know one thing for sure. This program will reach the far ends of the earth. The reach is tremendous. Our lead attorney lived in San Antonio, Texas, and he noticed that people would walk down the street and smile. Texas was the friendliest state he had ever encountered. People just smile at each other, be it in the store or on the street, and he's asking you to do the same. It doesn't have to be just when you visit America. Wherever you are, just turn around and smile at the next person. Let's share that spirit they talk about in the beginning of the Olympic Games. One world, one nation. You cannot punish the sons and daughters for the acts of the parents, and we have to respect each other as people. We have to embrace the differences to make the world a better place. We hope that you do this for us, wherever you may be. Customs, an airplane, or walking down the street. Just turn around and smile to the next person. Try it. Maybe in 5 years from now, if this can catch on, it'll make a small difference. What could it possibly cost? What could you lose? This is our mini contribution to humanity, to the next person as a fellow human being. No thoughts, no convictions, no judgments, just someone whose path you happen to cross. If you're sitting in a traffic jam, just turn to the driver in the car next to you and smile. Think of the difference. Think of what it does to you when someone you don't know simply smiles. I'm going to close by sharing one of our favorite quotes by Maddie Babcock. A day dawns quite like other days, and a single hour comes quite like other hours. But in that day, and in that hour, the chance of a lifetime faces us. Go out and create that chance of a lifetime. Bye for now.